Kubleshwari Fibaro, Session Pan, Kijing Petip Namtak Hubor Light Cam. Take a don kaway kam kabalai Post Office of the Meghalaya State Consumer Dispute Redressal Commission Shillong. One post of pion, name of post kadi pion tang kaway kabalai. Take a salary can they cut new hajar sospa adu sahaj pue hajar ke level mo kan skill level kadi cut new hajar sospa adu sah pue hajar kani. The age limit given long should not be more than 32 years and not less than 18 years as on 31st January 2022. Upper age limit is flexible by 5 years. Mudba hadu life news name pinang la banyo nam taki SC/ST. Educational qualification given pass class age saneng filaban apply ekneka post of pion. The method of selection qualified candidate will be shortlisted for the personal interview. Candidates are submit their application in standard form, and those who are already in government service should apply through proper channel. Kan mau piaban thit yaga standard form sapandap igi detail jong pi sa submit lang bat ka documents baro select submit hapok office kadon hangne ngala panwan kadai hapok la Shumer Meghalaya State Consumer Dispute Redressal Commission, New Administrative Building, 2nd floor, Lower La Shumer, Shillong 793001. Filaban lai hapok La Shumer sakali kadon hae kanek office Meghalaya State Consumer Dispute. Te filaban ila batai hiapi hangtu sakali. Te katarik kolong application will be received on the 26 September 2022. Yagi application kinsiam haka tarik September mo hadu saw baje up to 16 hours hadu saw baje janmit. Hangne loong tang hadu tang haka tarik kinsiam yaki application gijong pi. Te kenwa bhai gane tarik tarik kinsiam yaki application gijong pi. Te kiba kwa ban apply sapen kre lupa basalek ban submit haka tarik September.Ekanon biang sakawai kam hikai kebalaj. Application in standard form are invited for the post of assistant teacher at Robin Memorial Secondary School Tuber, Kamashnong, East Jantia Hill. Application should reach to the undersigned on or before 1 October 2022. Candidate should bring original document for date of interview. BSc BCM age as per government norms ka tulop kandai shipo hajar kemama PCM tek interview kan long kalai tarik bene shipo ar shibaje janmit Robinson Memorial Secondary School tenamta ke jingti bakhamne filaban phone ginik number new no not san rew ar khandai we sopra but une we pan rew no not khnai not we rew ar we filaban phone namta ki jingti ki bakhamne tagi nei jingtip khulwe jibun.